Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sweta from Sai Ayush Ayurveda. Today I am here with some preventive measures to fight against the disease caused in winter season. So according to Ayurveda, this is Hemanta Ritu. Okay, so you can observe people used to be very comfortable and they used to be very lazy in this season. Why? Because this weather is like that. People become too lazy because of the Kapha Pradhana in your body. So you never observe that Vata is also aggravating in your body. For example, if the person is already having some pain, he will get more pain in this season. Understood? So we need to be careful with these two doshas, that is Vata and Kapha. So Kapha can be affected those who have Kapha Pradhana in their body. For example, myself, I am having allergies and my body is Kapha Pradhana. So there are chances of getting some respiratory problems in this season. So what can I do for that? That is the topic in this video. Okay. So first of all, I told about Kapha Pradhana people, right? So for that, we need to take warm kind of food items. We need to sit in warm places and we need to avoid all the cold exposure. For example, fan, AC, or even wind also. So you need to plug in with the cotton and you need to take hot infused water. You can put ginger, you can put cinnamon into that water and you can take it for the whole day. So that is very good for the person who is having Kapha Pradhana. And one more is that you can take hot water gargling before going to bed and after getting up from the bed. So that is also good for Kapha Pradhana people. And one more thing is that you can take steam to reduce that congestion in the respiratory tract. So it gives Svedana effect to your body. So coming to the Vata Pradhana, that means some people might be having neck pain or body pains or joint pains. These people, the pain will aggravate. I told na. Why? Because Vata dosha property itself is like this. Roughness will be there, the cold will be there. So this season have these two kind of properties. So Vata automatically increases. So to prevent that, what we can do? We need to give anxious type of treatment, hot treatment. For example, Abhyanga Svetana we can take some kind of kiris with that. We can take Elakiri, Nyavarakiri, get the nourishment. So basically to improve our immune system, we need to take the help of Ayurveda. That's the only thing I want to tell you. So daily taking oil massage and taking hot water bath itself is a good remedy for Vata dosha. And the same thing which I told is food. So taking hot food which includes spice in that, and you can include good fat such as ghee, sesame oil, or even meat soup also you can take in this season. One important thing you need to avoid is that you should not take day sleep or you should not prolong the sleeping hours. You should have a 6 to 8 hours of sleep, not more than that, because that increase the laziness in you. So one more thing is that you need to have any kind of physical activities. Maybe in a week 4 times you need to have any type of physical activity, because that also heat ups your body. So that also gives a immunity boost to your body. So I guess these are small kind of preventive that you can take and you can see big kind of result from that. So I hope you understand and I hope you will follow this. Thank you.